Hey, it's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals, your market guide from entry to exit. As always, you can find me online at andyhubba.com or on my cell, 757-515-3028. Today I'll be showing you the Mermaid model from EDC Homes. They've recently acquired this property. You can see a tractor. It's getting ready to get demolished so that they can build another new house. Probably be a different model from this one, but complementary. So you are about to have a brand new neighbor. Again, 9256 Hickory Street. This is in the Willoughby Terrace section of Norfolk, Virginia. Just a few minutes from Naval Station Norfolk, Bay Beaches, Ocean View Shopping Center. Lots of kind of cool infrastructure. Interstates nearby, really kind of a neat little pocket area, close to First View Street in Norfolk, like Ocean View proper, basically. This is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, about 2250 square feet of living space, and it's got a covered patio off the back, and then subsequently a covered private deck off the master. I'll show you. This is all luxury vinyl plank flooring here. Nice wide entryway. You can see the two-piece crown. Just a really dynamic feel in here. The blinds are drawn, but this one does include the mini blinds. But you can see a nice gray color scheme here. Nice interior door detail. Powder room here. Again, this luxury vinyl plank flooring is waterproof. It's scratch resistant. Really forever, really durable, pet friendly, kid friendly, life friendly. These are plates or little covers for what is pre-wire for surround sound. You can see where we got HDMI pre-wired here, and then down here is where everything is wired, including the speaker wires. This is an electric LED fireplace. It does have a bunch of neat settings as far as it's a functional fireplace, but then you have a lot of control with the remote. Here's the covered. I'm not going to go outside, but you can see a nice sized backyard, concrete patio over there. Nice arched entryways here to the dining, and then subsequently the kitchen, which is really well appointed. Got the built-in pantry there. Nice island here. Really cool character in the granite. See a nice dark vein there. Kind of neat. One of a kind in each of these houses with how much character it has. Soft closed cabinets, crown molding, recessed can lights, stainless appliances. Dishwasher's right on the other side here. The attached two-car garage is right through this door. Does include an opener. Coat closet. Let's head upstairs where the 4 bedrooms are. Note the wall sconces, kind of a neat look. Cool gray detail instead of the traditional brown on the handrail. I was almost thinking you could fit a little bookshelf or desk or something over there if you wanted to. That's a linen closet. Go bedroom 1. This house has got the ceiling fans in the bedrooms. Again, note the blinds, although they're drawn. That was bedroom 2, bedroom 3. Good size. Here's the full bath for the hallway. Again, the luxury vinyl plank, so you don't have to worry about floor maintenance at all in this house. Nice oversized vanity there with the storage drawers. Here's the laundry. Again, note the floors. And then behind here, this does have the structured wiring, so that's where your Ethernet cable wires go. So the whole house is wired. You can see in this one in the master, let me back up. Let me at least show you what's going on. Nice vault. You can see here it's got the HDMI on the wall, and then most of the rooms have the coax, the Ethernet, and then the HDMI down. So super user friendly from a wired standpoint. Great master, really good size. Here's the, I will actually go out here. Covered deck off the master. Yeah, again, so you can see a handful of new houses surrounding us. Again, this one is going away in favor of new, so that's all going to be brand new. You can see a really generous, mostly covered private deck off the master. And then finally, I'll show you the ensuite bath and walk-in closet. First, the closet is massive. You can see it's built out all the way around, even on this side. Nice little transom there for some natural light. Separate tub with the tile surround. Really good sized dual vanity here. At the cabinet detail, super cool. Brushed nickel fixtures, separate shower with the framed enclosure. So it's a turnkey product here, fully done. All right, thanks again. It's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty, 9256 Hickory Street, Norfolk, Virginia by EDC Homes, the Mermaid model. Contact me directly. They're on my mobile, 757-515-3028, or online, maybe easier, andyhubba.com. I look forward to connecting with you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos. I look forward to engaging you. Make sure when you are home shopping you make it a priority. Have some fun.